Penny stocks have always been the playground for bold investors, the kind of people who dream big, take calculated risks, and look for those hidden gems that could explode in value overnight. Imagine turning just a few $100s into tens of thousands, or even millions, simply by getting in early on the right small-cap stock before Wall Street catches on. So today, we're diving into 4 penny stocks that have the kind of massive upside that could change your financial future. These aren't random picks pulled from thin air. Each one is backed by strong fundamentals, promising growth trajectories, and growing interest from institutional players and analysts alike. So make sure you stick around till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest, most explosive stocks in the market. First on our list is BlackBerry Limited, trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BB. Once a household name for its iconic smartphones, BlackBerry has completely reinvented itself over the past decade, evolving into a global leader in cybersecurity, Internet of Things, IoT, and automotive software solutions. The company no longer competes in the crowded smartphone market. Instead, it focuses on securing the digital future of connected devices and autonomous vehicles. Today, BlackBerry's software protects some of the most sensitive data across industries, from enterprise systems to next-generation vehicles. Financially, BlackBerry's latest earnings report demonstrated clear progress. In Q2 2025, the company reported revenue of $129.6 million and net income of $13.3 million, marking a successful return to profitability after a period of losses. This turnaround was supported by the $10.4 million pre-tax gain from the Silence asset sale, as well as continued demand for its software offerings. The company also repurchased 7.6 million shares under its buyback program, signaling management's confidence in the business's long-term value. Following the earnings announcement, shares rose by nearly 9%, reflecting positive investor sentiment. At a current stock price of $4.49, analysts have issued an average 12-month price target of $5.12, with a high forecast of $6 and a low forecast of $4.50, suggesting about a 14% potential upside. Beyond numbers, what makes BlackBerry truly compelling is its role in 2 of the most promising markets of the decade: cybersecurity and connected vehicles. As industries and governments continue to prioritize digital security, and as the automotive sector transitions toward autonomous and electric mobility, BlackBerry software is becoming an integral part of that evolution. Second on our list is Plug Power Incorporated, trading under the ticker PLUG on the NASDAQ. Plug Power is a pioneer in the hydrogen fuel cell industry, dedicated to transforming how we power our world. The company develops hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace traditional batteries in electric vehicles and industrial applications. These fuel cells generate clean energy, emitting only water as a byproduct, making them an ideal solution for sustainable power generation in logistics, transportation, and manufacturing. Financially, Plug Power continues to show steady improvement. In Q2 2025, the company reported $174 million in revenue, a 21% year-over-year increase, driven by strong demand across its product lines, especially its electrolyzer business, which saw revenue triple to about $45 million. These systems, which use renewable energy to split water into hydrogen and oxygen, are becoming central to clean energy infrastructure globally. The company's gross margin also improved significantly, rising from -92% in Q2 2024 to -31% in Q2 2025, thanks to cost-cutting measures and better pricing on hydrogen supply. This improvement was driven by Project Quantum Leap, a company-wide initiative focused on reducing expenses, consolidating facilities, and optimizing operations. The project led to substantial savings through workforce restructuring, supply contract renegotiations, and reduced professional service costs. Plug also made strides in cash management, cutting its net cash usage in operations and investments by over 40% year-over-year. The company ended the quarter with more than $140 million in unrestricted cash and an additional $300 million in potential debt capacity from its secured credit facility. Another promising development for Plug Power is its eligibility for U.S. federal clean energy tax incentives, particularly under Sections 45V and 48E, which could significantly enhance profitability in the coming years. With a current share price of $3.40, Plug Power is seen by many as an undervalued opportunity in a sector that could define the future of global energy. The third stock on our list is Banco Bradesco S.A., trading under the ticker BBD on the NYSE. Banco Bradesco is one of Brazil's largest and most established financial institutions, providing a wide range of services, including retail banking, corporate lending, insurance, asset management, and wealth planning. The bank's vast branch network, coupled with its growing digital footprint, makes it one of the most dominant forces in Latin America's banking industry. Recent financial results highlight Banco Bradesco's strength. The bank reported a 28.6% year-over-year increase in recurring net income, reaching $6.1 billion, driven by solid revenue growth and diversified income streams. Total revenue increased by 15.1% year-over-year, while fee and commission income rose more than 10%. The insurance, pension, and savings bond segments, key areas of the bank's operations, grew by over 21% compared to last year, showcasing Bradesco's ability to expand in non-traditional banking areas. Its continued investment in digital transformation is paying off, with the bank's mobile and online platforms now serving millions of customers more efficiently than ever before. Banco Bradesco's focus on risk management and operational efficiency has helped it maintain profitability despite challenging economic conditions in Brazil. The use of generative AI for customer insights, fraud detection, and back-office automation is giving the bank a competitive edge. As Latin America's economies recover and inflation begins to moderate, consumer spending and credit demand are expected to rise, a tailwind that could further boost Bradesco's earnings in the coming quarters. At a current share price of $3.30, Banco Bradesco's stock appears undervalued relative to its earnings potential. Analysts have an average 12-month price target of $3.64, with a high forecast of $4.07 and a low of $3.20, indicating a potential 10.3% upside. Last on our list is Ambev S.A., trading on the NYSE under the ticker ABV. Ambev is a beverage giant and one of the most recognizable consumer companies in Latin America. It's best known for producing and distributing popular beer brands such as Skol, Brahma, and Antarctica, alongside a growing portfolio of soft drinks and energy beverages. Operating in over 18 countries, Ambev has established a powerful distribution network that gives it unmatched reach and market presence. Ambev's financial performance remains robust. In Q2 2025, the company reported revenue of $3.59 billion, representing a 2.65% year-over-year increase, although slightly below analyst expectations. However, profitability metrics were strong, with net income rising 15% and EBITDA showing high single-digit growth. Margins improved by 110 basis points, reflecting cost efficiencies and better product mix management. Earnings per share were 3 cents, matching market forecasts. The company did face a temporary decline in organic volume, down 4.5%, largely due to cooler weather impacting consumption in key markets. Despite that, Ambev's diversified portfolio and strong market share across Latin America have helped offset regional fluctuations. At a current stock price of $2.25, Ambev remains an appealing investment for both growth and income-focused investors. The company's consistent dividend payouts make it one of the few penny stocks that provide reliable shareholder returns. Based on the latest analysis from 5 Wall Street firms, Ambev's average 12-month price target sits at $2.90, with a high of $4 and a low of $2.20, implying a potential upside of roughly 28.9%. Well, that concludes our list of 4 penny stocks to buy with huge growth potential in the upcoming months. Each of these companies stands out not just because of their low share prices, but because of their strong business models, innovative direction, and expanding global presence. Whether it's the digital transformation led by BlackBerry, the clean energy revolution powered by Plug Power, the financial modernization driven by Banco Bradesco, or the consumer brand strength of Ambev, these companies have what it takes to deliver real growth for investors. So keep an eye on these names, do your own research, and always invest wisely. Because in the world of penny stocks, the right pick at the right time can truly turn a small investment into something extraordinary.